Welcome to our Dream PC build video. Stay tuned for part 2, which will be PC reveal and full setup tour video in our home. So don't forget to subscribe. Ting! I'm going to steal one day this robbery. Hello, welcome to Filmosophy.
Filmosophy Gaming.
Why are you feeling shy? Hello, welcome to our PC build. And finally, we are making our PC video. And
Yes.
this is our second
PC, but first video.
Yeah, first video.
Yeah.
So today we are at Elite Hub.
Yeah.
And you can see the beautiful
Yes.
PCs over here. What should I unbox first?
Start with this.
Start with this.
Power supply. We are about to start our PC build.
So first we are unboxing this
The cooler.
cooler.
This
Yeah.
is not the cooler.
This is not a cooler. This is fan.
The cooler.
This is fan. I know.
Power
this
supply. This is power
yeah.
supply. Yeah, you want to say something about it?
So this is the one of the important thing which
CPU cooler.
which goes inside PC.
This is the cooler.
And yes. And yes, this is important, very important.
What?
All the cables that are there. And the cord, power cord. And the pins. Looks good, na?
It's
This is the modular version.
It's okay looking, like same only all the things.
What okay looking? Look, this
MSI.
side it looks so
last
good.
time we had MSI?
No, last time I don't.
Cooler Master, Cooler Master.
Cooler Master. Now it's MSI.
Now it's
It's
MSI.
even a better brand.
Cooler to cool the CPU. No, it's not a CPU. This is power supply.
Yeah.
From
Or-
where the power will go to PC.
Where the
I
power
know.
will supply.
Yeah, power will supply the supply power. And I know it has a lot of wires because last time I saw
Yeah.
see too many wires, and this is the thing like we have to arrange in the cabinet because
Correct.
this is the
Cable management.
this is the part which looks very messy in any PC.
No, so this model is the modular model. Modular
Okay.
model matlab you can
You
choose.
don't need to plug it.
No, you need to plug it, but you can choose which plugs you want and which you don't.
Okay.
Non-modular model में सब मतलब plug करके आएगा and you
Oh,
can't
okay.
open it. So here you can customize according to your needs.
Oh yeah, I
So
remember.
that's why
it
you
was
pay.
attached, right?
That's why you pay extra and buy the
Okay.
modular so that it
Oh.
looks good and it does not look messy.
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll unbox
So
the
now
power
we are
supply.
going to unbox the
Power supply.
power supply, and
Yes.
it's from Deepcool.
Here you go again.
It is the power supply, yes. Earlier I had the AK400 digital. Now I bought the AK400 digital Pro because I really love this cooler. It's really good.
Earlier, all the stuff used to
Yeah, temperature and usage.
used to move.
Yeah,
Now
now-
it will be stagnant.
I mean, we
Yeah.
can set it in the app, and
Yeah.
now one more parameter has been added.
Yeah.
Earlier it was temperature and usage. Now it's temperature, usage, and also watts.
Happy birthday to you. So this is from Deepcool. Last
Right.
time also we had same brand.
Same brand, just a different model. Almost same model. The non-pro model we had.
Yeah.
Now it's the pro model.
Pro model. So this is very pretty, and I remember this has like that thermal paste.
Yeah, thermal paste
Yeah.
comes pre-applied. Very good, Rashmi.
Yeah,
How?
I know what I am
The
doing.
thermal paste comes pre-applied. You are correct.
So
And we need to
have
change
to
the thermal
handle
paste
with
every 6
very-
months.
Yeah, we have to handle it with very much care and love because this will stick in the
Processor.
Yeah, processor. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the thing. Which
On top of this.
Yeah.
This will go on top
on
of this.
top of this
Yes.
AMD Ryzen.
Yes.
So this is very delicate.
Don't touch it.
Yeah, and
This is the
already
it comes with pre-applied thermal paste.
this comes with all the clamps, which will be
One for Intel and one for AMD.
one for Intel and one for AMD.
No, they can hear me also.
Okay.
You don't have to repeat.
Will you marry me?
Yes, next unbox the RAM.
Okay.
So this is the wait. Show them, na? This is the Kingston Fury based 32GB RAM, 16GB into 2, 6000 megahertz with CL30 latency.
Okay.
You know what that means, Rashmi?
Yes, means there won't be any wait time.
Wait.
This one will be like very sharp.
Yes.
You
So your
don't-
Chrome tabs will open faster.
Yeah.
You can play games
Yeah.
without any lag.
It's like heavier than
Heavy?
the earlier one.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's heavy.
has metal, I think.
And plus,
Earlier we had
Fury
G-Skill.
part, yeah, the Fury part looks very sexy.
Yes.
See?
I think it's like it has metal.
Yeah.
Metallic.
It has
Right.
little bit of metal and
Yeah,
it
it
looks
has little bit of
pretty.
metal.
Yeah. This
And
looks
it's RGB. So
yeah. So it will lit
means
up.
extra FPS.
Yeah.
No, RGB always means extra FPS.
No.
Okay, it's done.
RGB means it will lit up. So next we are unboxing the SSD.
Yes.
So these are not that important
Huh?
part.
SSD is very important.
But yeah, for your memories and all, you
Without
need it.
SSD, the computer won't even turn on.
Yeah, because we need Windows.
All the components
doors.
are important, Rashmi.
Yes, everything is important, but less important
No, it's very, very important.
for gaming.
This is the Western Digital Black SN7100. Has a, देखो इसका speed देखो, 7250 MB per second, Rashmi.
Okay. So now we are at the last stage of our PC intestines.
Distance.
So all these three are very important and very delicate,
Correct.
as per I know. So let's open the
CPU cooler.
AMD Ryzen CPU
Right.
cooler.
Ryzen
no,
5.
Not cooler, no.
This is processor.
This is processor.
The CPU.
Why did you say it's CPU cooler?
Ryzen 5
So-
9600X.
So this is the most delicate part of our PC.
Hmm.
This is liver
CPU.
of our PC.
Yeah, it's like the heart, yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's a heart then. Because this is very delicate. If you
Yeah.
open it, then it might get some bruises and all.
Yeah, show the other side also. Yeah.
This is
The pins.
this is the part where you have to attach that thing.
To the motherboard.
So we are unboxing the Gigabyte motherboard. It's a
Yes.
gaming motherboard. I think it's upgraded one, no?
Right. So
Last time
earlier
had-
we had Gaming X AX motherboard
Yeah.
in our earlier PC, but that was
Yeah.
650. Now we have ordered Gigabyte B850, the whole ATX
And one of
size.
the reason is this time we are again opting for Gigabyte. Is Gigabyte service we really
Yes.
yeah,
Thanks to
we-
Mr. Wilson.
Thanks to Mr. Wilson because he supported us a lot.
He supported
and
us a lot. He still supports us.
Yeah, he still supported. Like he's very
Yeah.
nice. That's why I think the service
Yeah,
is
because
more
of-
important.
Service of Gigabyte, we are choosing the
Yeah.
main two components, which is the motherboard and also the GPU.
The customer service is
Yeah, unbox it.
all we want.
Enough. Yes, Gigabyte.
So it's very delicate. Even if one pin is
Correct.
like here and there, the whole motherboard will
Why did it come
can
like
get
this?
spoiled.
इसमें क्या है?
Just
ऐसा
for the
करके क्या?
protection.
अच्छा.
So I'm not opening it. Can you see? It's the color is actually very beautiful, or maybe because of the wrapper. So it's pretty heavy.
Yeah, and it's bigger also. It's because last time we had B650M, which is the micro ATX version. This is the ATX model, जिसका मतलब थोड़ा बड़ा है. इसलिए it will fit fully into the cabinet. So here the temperature and all would be better, like low temperature होगा compared to our
I remember
earlier.
here we put the processor.
Yeah, the CPU,
Yeah,
the
and,
RAM, the
RAM,
SSD, and the
SSD,
GPU, and the
GPU.
CPU cooler here.
So this is one of the expensive part of our PC
Not one of
intestine.
the most expensive part
The
of
most
the.
expensive part of our PC intestine, and this is what can we call it? Like a liver
It's a
or
GPU.
something.
It's like the brain. You
It's
can
like
say.
the brain.
Yeah.
No. I don't think it's like more like a eye. Like it will give us the good visual and all.
Correct.
So let's open it.
Again, we chose Gigabyte because of Mr. Wilson.
Yeah. Sexy. I'm really big fan of it.
Oh.
Oh, the manual also looks very
No, it
hot.
feels like a letter or something.
No, it's a manual.
Oh.
So it looks really nice. The manual
Looks like a letter.
Yeah, it's in an envelope and it's like very pretty. Gigabyte.
So nice.
So, oh, what are this? This time like a lot of stuff came like with it.
Holder.
Holder. Okay.
बड़ा है ना size में.
Oh.
The most important part of the build. Oh my god.
It looks like.
So pretty.
Earlier also it had 3 fans.
Yeah, WindForce. This is called the WindForce. Has 3 fans. Wow, so pretty.
Yeah. Let's keep it
Let
inside.
me try.
Hold the baby.
Oh,
It's very heavy.
Cyberpunk in 4K.
Hold it like a baby.
This is the MSI Mag 321R cabinet, which honestly I did not like it that much, but I had no other choice because the cabinets that I wanted were out of stock and I was in a hurry. Laga? This is the masala box, according to Vikas bhai.
Say no to drugs and say yes to thermal paste.
While Vikas bhai from Elite Hubs was building our PC, it felt like a dream come true that I'm finally building a gaming PC that can handle any game in 4K Ultra. We live stream games regularly on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe and join our streams. Let me know in the comments which game should I play first with the 5070 Ti in 4K Ultra. Okay, so for now the PC build is complete. Cable management we will do later, but just to see if the PC will boot or not, it's ready. For now it's ready. Abhi, let's try to boot it up. Wait. तुम करोगे? First boot. First boot. हो जाए एक बार में. Oh yes! Everything is good. That means.
Stay tuned for our next video where we take the new PC in our home and make a full setup tour video including peripherals. Say no to drugs and say yes to thermal paste.